Welcome back, y'all, to another episode of Penny for Your Thoughts, and today we present Sneaker Sundays. In this episode of Sneaker Sunday, we're talking about the Black Cement 3s that supposed to come out February 17th.
February 17th.
They're coming out. We was able to get our hands on a pair early.
And we haven't seen
We haven't looked at them yet.
We're going to be unboxing them with you guys.
That's a fact. So
First time.
So now, we got the shoe in our hand. You see it's a 7.5. It's my man Omar pair. He looked out.
Omar?
O looked out. My man O pair early. It's the same exact box from 2011. You guys can see it got the cement print. I mean,
it ain't the same exact price though.
No, it's definitely not. These are 200. The ones from 2011 were 160. So as you can see, it got the elephant print all around the box. Pop.
Let's see what this looks like.
Jordan, shit, inside nothing. You know,
same box. Comes with nothing.
Comes with nothing. It looks like. Ooh. These are clean. These are clean. Take a look at those. These are clean.
They're nice.
Nothing
Yo, this is a classic shoe.
Yeah. Wow.
Got that sneaker smell.
Got that fresh sneaker smell. I must admit, man, Nike did a good job with these.
They did a decent job.
I like.
I don't know how I'm feeling this.
You don't like this around there, right?
Yeah.
It's this little fake leather going.
Fake leather, like you $200. You can make a leather all the way around.
That's true. That's true. I think the leather all around the shoe, other than that leather, looks good, feels good.
I like the old school key ring.
Yeah, Nike Air. Got the Nike Air in the back. If y'all don't know, Nike Air in the back is a plus.
Wasn't a pair without the air? One of the pairs
the 2011 pair doesn't have the air. Oh, we got those too.
Oh,
we got those
by
too.
the way,
we got those too. If y'all want to compare, hold on. Let me get the.
We're gonna be comparing those.
Let me get the left foot, as you can see. Got the Jordan Air in the back. These are the pair from 2011. They still fresh. I only wore these one time.
See that? Even it
see
looks
the
better
leather on there. The leather looks better on there.
It looks better on the side.
Feels the same, but it looks better.
Yeah, this looks more
better.
vinyl.
If you guys want to compare, we can compare them. You know, the holes are all around the shoe here. Actually, are bigger than the ones from 2011, as you can see.
The major sight difference is gonna be the air in the back.
Yeah, the air in the back definitely is.
The Nike brought it back. They couldn't put Nike the last time.
Yeah, because
Jordan.
Yeah, I don't think they were doing that at that time. I think they was putting on the Jordan Air on the back of all the threes.
Oh, yeah, right?
The threes and the fours at that time. And they bought, I think a couple of years after that, maybe in about 2013, when they bought the white cements back out, they put the Nike Air on the back. That was the first one with the Nike Air in the back.
Requested.
Yeah.
It was requested so much.
But it's no difference to me, man. This is the same exact shoe.
But we got one little surprise for y'all.
You know, it's the same exact shoe. I can't complain. Oh, look, I found something different. As you can see, in the 2011 pair, if you look in the inside, it has a gray insole.
You see?
Has a gray insole inside of that one.
Okay. As opposed to.
And the 2018 pair has a red insole. So I can see if I can see in there or whatever.
Yeah, that's not $40 worth.
Yeah,
that's not $40.
I'm trying to figure out where's the $40 difference.
Right
this is the $40 difference. Nike, this is what y'all telling me. This is the difference.
Yeah.
If that's what y'all want to run with, we running with it, man. But this is I like the shoe overall. I'm definitely getting a pair. It's a little different on the elephant print. As you can see, it's a little different. It's a little higher up on here on the front part. On the 2018 pair is a little higher up. 2011 is a little lower. But hey, man, definitely, I have no complaints. I'll take another pair.
Got a little surprise.
We also got a pair from when those dropped.
I gotta look at it.
You see the box? Look at the box though. Let's show them the box again one more time so the people can see. You ever seen Jordans in this box before, man?
A lot of y'all haven't. Y'all not old enough.
Wow. You see the other foot? You see that, Jimmy?
Yeah, you have
left foot. Wow, look at the difference, y'all. I don't know when these came out, but it was a long time ago.
This was
it's not even on date in here. This is
yes, date. It is 94.
What is date? That where you see it at?
Right there underneath the fabric.
Oh, I see it.
4/06/94.
94, y'all.
94. These were purchased back before debit cards.
Crazy.
When you had to send final score a money order or a credit card. Everybody in the hood, they have a credit card.
Well, at least you could look in the inside. There's a red insole in there. There's a red insole in here.
I already see a major difference.
They brought the OG back. It's higher up on
they
the
didn't
cement,
bring
and they don't have that lever going around.
That extra piece.
The extra piece of leather is not going around the shoe as it is on this one.
Look how clean these are.
I'll show y'all. Look. Now look at this one. Doesn't have it on there.
This feels softer.
Oh yeah, it's softer. Well, you know they use better materials back in the day.
So definitely because
this shoe doesn't even look that bad to be 23 years old. Oh, 23 for Jordan. That's a good plug. But
and the Nike Air is not as 3D.
Yeah, the Nike Air is.
It's in.
See, it's in the shoe instead of actually being like planted on. But
these look good.
Yeah, man. Overall, can't complain, man. This 94 pair gives you that OG feel for all the viewers who like OG shoes. Here you go. 1994 Black Cement 3s. How many of y'all can say I got these, man? These joints are so old, they look fake. They look fake. That's how old they are, man. But if you know your history, you already know what it is. But what you think about 2018 pair overall?
Overall, it's a what Nike's doing. It's a good.
Nike and Jordan brand. You guys been coming with the heat all 2018. I gotta give it to y'all, man. And February is gonna be a big year for y'all. I mean, a big month for y'all, but I think 2018 overall is gonna be a big year for y'all, man. If y'all keep coming back with stuff like this, man.
I actually OG stuff like original.
Like I actually seen something today. They coming back out with the Animal Pack, the Atmos Animal Pack. They coming back out with the Air Max 1s and the 95s for Air Max month. So be on the lookout for that, man. But
March.
But overall, great job, Nike.
Good
I'm
job.
impressed.
Yes.
I'm impressed. This is a great shoe. It feels good. Shout out to O for letting us, do this review. But it feels good, We figured we'd bring it to you guys early. Let you guys get a look at the shoe before you guys decide to actually, if you want to buy it or not. Comparing all three shoes, as you can see, the 94 pair and the 2018 pair actually have a lot of similarities. If you want to look at the bottom, it says Nike on the 94 pair, and on 2018 pair it says Nike also at the bottom. Flip it over to the back. Same thing going on. I'm trying to hold it together for y'all. Got the same thing going on back there.
The higher up.
The higher up elephant print on the 94 pair and on the 2018 pair. So if you want
back to the old school.
If you want that old school feel,
yeah,
this 2018 pair is the pair to get. If you want that old school feel.
With the old school feel, get the new pair.
Yeah, get the new pair if you want that old school feel, man. But yeah, like I said, man, if y'all like them, let us know. Leave it in the comments below. If y'all don't, let us know. Leave it in the comments below, man. But overall, I think it's a good shoe, man. What do you think?
Yeah, it's a good shoe. It's
a good.
It's worth buying.
It's worth buying. It's worth the 200. Is it worth the 200? Is the question. Is it worth the 200?
With inflation, yes.
With inflation, yes. You heard it here first,
man. With inflation, yes.
You get the first review of the Black Cement 3s from the good peoples at Penny for Your Thoughts.
And as always, any merchandise you see, Penny for Your Thoughts is available. We have hats, hoodies coming in a couple different colors. We have dad hats in a few colors. Just check us out at Penny for Your Thoughts. That's Penny, the word PENNY _ the number 4YT on Instagram, Twitter.
And if you guys want to email us, you can email us at p4yt2016@gmail.com. If you want to email us and let us know about any merchandise that you see us wearing in any videos, we're always wearing something that relates to Penny for Your Thoughts, to our movement, to our brand. So if you see any of that stuff and you want to get in contact with us, you can email us at p4yt2016@gmail.com. Or if you want, you can reach us on Instagram at Penny PENNY _4YT on Instagram and on Twitter.
We also do custom colored hoodies. You can put any color you want. Get any color hoodie you want for any color wording that you would like, and just about any size that you would like.
Right. And like I say all the time, man, we keeping it 100 and not a penny less. Peace.